Really? Yeah. Okay, somewhat.
Heavy.
Look, that one's so pretty.
Yeah, real good over here.
Where's your shoes? You didn't put your shoes on.
Oh, Mama, hold you.
Uncle Mike, there she goes with you.
It's okay, Simon. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Yeah, he's okay. He's okay, Simon. It's okay. Poor little Simon. It's okay, Simon. It's okay.
Mommy always like, this one's for Sharon.
Yeah.
This one's for Eva.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, remember the ones that are heart? It turned into a heart in midair.
Yeah. Oh, they're
cool.
not puente?
Yeah.
They had ones that looked like palm trees. They would fall down like a willow tree.
Oh,
yeah.
Are they like the golden ones?
Yeah.
There it is.
There's the grand finale.
You've been saying the last
Thank you.
5 of them.
We have established that this is the grand finale.
Oh, he's jumping now. He's jumping for the finale. There he goes.
Wow.
Well, that is it.
So I'm assuming that's the one right there?
Yeah.
Okay, we finally got it right, guys.
Yeah.
Sounds like this.
I think that we're getting better every year, Jen. Here, moo, there, moo, everywhere. At a farm.
Yeah, the Asian guy right next to you.
A little sour but sweet.
26 minutes. I'm sorry, 27.
That looks good.
It's coming.
Don't eat into it yet.
Don't eat it, people. Don't enjoy.
Wait, don't stir it then.
They're huge, right?
Thank you.
Get a big bite out of it.
Is that good?
They're delicious.
Look at it, ring the bell. You're kidding. Exceptional service.
I don't know about that one, but okay.
It's gonna sing. That's the music. It's gonna sing to you.
And the sheriff's sleeping.
I went to look in here and then look what it says. Hi, Nosy.
Washer right here, right? Yep.
That's the old washing machine. One woman powered.
Here, hold your blanket.
Watch.
That's not gonna do it.
How many people here? There's literally a ghost town.
You can step up here and look in there. It's not real.
He's sleeping. He's sleeping.
It's not real, baby, though.
Hi, Lex. Daniel, say hi. Whoa. Oh. Spit?
She's so much fun in her place. You can put it in everything else. She wants
What are you looking at, Yvette?
Those are the real secrets. And I'm telling her, you want to go look at the next video. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh, it's nothing. X-rated. It's nothing.
It's in Bend, Chicago.
Is it changing up? Let me see.
Let's see, everybody wants to see the peep show.
You guys can all see them, is that fine? Go ahead.
Even the kids can see them.
They're cute though. It's a big group.
Let's see.
It's not. You should check it out.
This is old colors.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, he came across one that's really bad.
Whoa!
Put this in here.
Oh, why don't you have this one that was bad?
Whoa.
And then you look in here.
There's a lot of. The doctor?
This $3 bill is over. We have a $3 bill. Mom, look at $3 bill. Mom, look at it. It's 15 right here.
That's where the magic happens. This is private.
How you gonna do this?
Find us some gold to take them to Washington. With the best
There's some more over here too.
Well, there's a piece of gold.
It's funny, huh? She kind of looks like herself still.
She's fortunate. She's small enough.
Well, we're gonna be in the.
So the report is currently in foundation's imagination.
Those are cool. We just finished at Ghost Town Museum. What do you think, brother?
It was great.
Now
Did you guys like
report.
it?
Awesome.
Did you like it?
Yes.
It was super fun.
Super fun for everyone. Batteries anymore. Oh, but I have this one. And then that.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. I was actually enjoying it. Wait, let me.
He wanted to.
Oh.
I don't know why. Strange. Just don't question it.
You remember being here?
Yeah.
I meant sure we was here, but not up here.
No, this is a different.